and thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Laura. I'm Laura, and today we're making watermelon popsicles. So in my blender, or if you have a food processor at home, that will work as well, I have 4 cups of diced watermelon, 2 cups of diced strawberries, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I'm just going to pour the rest of that in there. I also suggest adding a little bit of water to this mixture because then it can blend more easily. Next, you're just going to grab the lid of your blender and you're going to blend these until it's smooth. All right. I also suggest adding a little bit of honey if you'd like, just depending on how sweet you want your popsicles. Next, you'll grab your popsicle molds. Whoops. And then you'll just pour into the popsicle molds. You can fill them all the way to the top if you'd like. Making a mess here. And then just add the lids. And then pop them in your freezer for 3 to 4 hours or until solid. Thank you.